Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Regardless of what they say, I want you to do it anyway. Let me just share with you today. I just got back from the gym and I'm doing some fasting at 4 o'clock. No solids. Just doing some fasting. I did it yesterday. Did it today. Went to the gym yesterday. Went today. And so I'm trying something different. I'm working out Monday, Tuesday at the gym, Wednesday at home session, Thursday, Friday at the gym, Saturday off, Sunday we go walk our miles together, Bruce and I. And I didn't want to do it today. It wasn't that I was tired or anything. I can't lie to you and say I was tired. I wasn't tired. I just didn't feel like going to the gym today. But when I don't feel like it, I jump up and after I took care of the doggy, little Daisy May, I got in that car and I went to the gym. And guys, when I did my workout, it felt so good. It felt so good. It was so funny today. For some reason, the energy in the gym, people were high-fiving each other. And I was just so excited. And as I sat down in a locker room, my spirit said, do it anyway. When you don't feel like doing it, that's when you should do it. That's when you should do it. And I had been battling allergies, y'all know that, and found out, I'll tell you a story about that. We're going to do a story time. It wasn't even allergies. It was something else. It was chemicals in the home. We'll talk about that in a minute, another video. But I want you to do it anyway. Write the book anyway. Coach and mentor anyway. People are, oh, well, you ain't made $1 million. You shouldn't be teaching. That's a lie from the gates of hell. If we waited to make $1 million, nobody would be a coach. Nobody would be a mentor. It's called Teach and Grow Rich, okay? I remember Robert Kiyosaki, and I think Donald Trump wrote that book, Teach and Grow Rich, okay? You don't have to be an expert to go out here and do what God has called you to it. He already qualified you for it. So you don't have to sit up here and wonder what somebody else is saying, what they're going to say about me, this imposter syndrome. I don't even know where the hell that came from. Back in the day, we used to be afraid to fail. Now the enemy got you afraid to be successful and afraid to fail. It got you coming and going left and right, up and down, don't know where you're going. I want you to do it anyway. Even when you don't feel like doing it, that's the best time to do it because breakthrough is there. You're one session away. You're one funnel away. You're one coach session away. You're one idea away from the breakthrough that you've been praying for, that you've been believing for. How do I know? Because God has blessed me. And I thank God that I'm blessed to be a blessing. But I was sitting down in the gym today and I was thinking about do it anyway. Gene, you did it. You feel good. You have high energy. You're excited. You feel good. You're getting better. I was just like, you know what? It comes from doing it anyway. There's a lesson in everything we do. If we pay attention, God is speaking to us. If we pay attention, don't worry about what people say. Do it anyway. Don't worry about what they think. Do it anyway. People ain't paying your bills. Do it anyway, baby. Go hard in the paint for yourself. Go hard in the paint for your belief, for your dreams, for your goals. Your children, your family is waiting for your breakthrough. They're waiting for you to believe because they believe in you. So they're waiting for you to believe in yourself. I talked about that yesterday, about belief. It starts with belief, not in the product, not in the service. It starts with belief in yourself. Go hard in the paint for yourself. It's your time, not your turn. Believe in yourself. And because I believe in you. Listen, with that being said, we still got room in the mansion. Supercharge Your Business, Increase Your Profit Bootcamp coming up right here in Atlanta, Georgia. It really is not in Atlanta. It's going to be in Stone Mountain. From September the 19th is going to be the reception, 7:30 at night. We got smooth sounds coming in. Richard Shaw going to be smoothing us. Good food, man. And then the 20th and 21st, we're going hard in the paint. We got our chef that's going to be cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner so you can lock in, so you can see what we did to make 6 figures. We did it anyway. 6 figures in 4 months. Did it again in 3 months. And now, man, God is blessing us to build multiple 7-figure income producing assets, guys. And we want to share with you, we're not gatekeeping. The gates are wide open, but the spots are almost gone. I'm just telling you the truth. So go to TWC Elite mmevents.com, TWC Elite, mmevents.com. Book your ticket now. Book your ticket. It's invest in yourself. You're one click away from success. Invest in yourself. I believe in you. Remember, my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. Remember, you can have, you can be, you can do anything because God says so. And I second that. God bless you. Go register. I'll see you soon.